Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tisha Isabella. By the title of the video, you already know we're getting into this wig install. This is the frontal wig I got from Aliexpress. The brand, I don't remember the name, but I am gonna put the screenshot up. It's a 13 by 4 highlighted deep wave wig, 30 inches, and it was $207 with Texas, I believe. I think it had a little coupon, so it took off a couple of dollars. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this install. If you're a regular here, you know I use Ghost Bun, but I did just order some bowl hold for the first time, and I'm gonna try that out. But I did 3 layers of Ghost Bun. While the Ghost Bun is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and put my color foundation on the lace. Right here, I'm just placing the lace down on the glue, and I'm gonna spray some Got To Be glue spray on the perimeter of the wig and put the elastic band on top of it to let it melt. Blow dry it before you put the elastic band on it. Just doing a little pull test. The lace is on good. I let the elastic band sit on for maybe like 10 minutes just to let it get a little melted. But this is how it looks once it was melted. And now I'm about to cut the lace off. Sorry I'm not facing you guys. I just got to make sure I don't cut myself or cut this lace wrong. So I'm going to use my color foundation and just go in at the edges where it's looking a little white and just, blend it in, make it look undetectable. So I'm going to use my wax stick and put it all around the edges and, the parts where I want pressed out. And then take my hot comb and press it out. And while you're not doing it, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Comb the hair out where you're going to do the baby hairs at. I'm not going to do baby hairs on the other side. I'm just going to do it on the side that's showing. So I already took those out and I'm pressing back all the other hairs so it doesn't get in my way and I can do my baby hairs properly. Using my razor, I cut my baby hairs the length that I want them to be. I always leave my sideburns a little longer because, I don't know, I don't play by my sideburns, so I don't want them too short. So, cut them in the length that you want it to be. Whatever flat iron you got, I got my little baby flat iron. I don't know what inch it is, but I use my little baby flat iron to curl my baby hairs backwards. This makes it so much easier. Like, I know how to do my baby hairs without it, but with it, it's like they done. Perfect. I love using my little flat irons to get that curl right. That's the only thing I use this little flat iron for, but it was totally worth it. But like $10 at the hair store, can't beat it. Use whatever mousse you like and some Got To Be glue gel or whatever gel you like. I put the gel on first, then I put the mousse on second. And yeah, and I start shaping my baby hairs. And I'm also blow dry. I don't blow dry it for long. I just want it to stay in place. Just touching it up with the pressing comb, getting it real flat, and, getting all the flyaways. I'm gonna spray some got to be glue spray on my finger, and I'm just gonna put it at the edges of the perimeter of the wig, and then I'm gonna put my elastic band on it. That's gonna be my last melt. While I'm letting that elastic band stay on and melt, I'm going to go in and put water on the lace. I'm gonna do water all over first, and then I'm gonna do the gel. And one more thing I did the hair polisher, heat protection by Fantasia, and I sprayed that at the end. But I found that gel helps much better. Like, it really keeps the hair down all day. Like, you know how you have to keep spraying the water all throughout the day just to keep it with that wet and wavy look? I do the gel. I do water first, and then I do the gel, and then I do the Fantasia spray just when it start looking dry, like the color wise. But the Fantasia spray, I put that at the edges, and you're good all day. Like, even the next day, you're still good. And it actually didn't even shed that bad. I'm gonna try to put the link in the description so y'all can find the wig easily. And I want to say thank you for all the subscribers, all my supporters. Thank you guys so much. We're at like 550 now, and I didn't even imagine being this far. I'm halfway there to 1,000, and I'm just really thankful for you guys. Thank you so much. I'm gonna give this wig a 10 out of 10 right now, because you know I ain't went through the trials and tribulations yet, but the wig is very soft, very pretty, and I love the color. Like, the color speaks volumes. If I do say so myself, I think I really melted this good. The edges look good. You know, I like my baby hairs like this. So, you know, everything looks good to me. I really love it. Do your little touch-ups at the end. Get it flat as possible. Get the flyaways out the way. All that good stuff. Ooh, it came out so cute. I love it. Ooh, this might be my new signature color. This came out really cute. Some lashes on, my lip gloss. Nothing too much, because you know your girl ain't never gonna do too much. But this is cute. I'm really feeling this highlight. Alright, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was detailed enough. I tried to put everything in there that I do, and you know everything. I'm not a professional or anything, but I do my hair, and I get compliments all the time. So I think I do a pretty good job. But yeah, you know, I would have ate it up too if it was all black. You know, black is more easier to actually like see the lace than color, because it is like a light brown at the top, but I did detail the part, so you know it's more visible. With I just detailed it with a eyebrow pencil, and just, you know, went around it or whatever just to detail it, because it's like the same color of my makeup. So yeah, but I will give you guys an updated review in like 2 weeks or a month, whatever I choose, so you can see how it held up. You know, it gets to shrinking, you know, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna give y'all an updated review so you'll know how it held up. But I'm in love so far, and ever since I learned that gel trick on big wave hair and the little heat protected hair polisher, baby, my deep waves be looking like this all the time. It don't never, whew. You know how you usually have to keep spraying over water? I don't have to do that no more. So shout out to who I seen, I think it's an Erica J video who said that. So yeah, shout out to her. No, she told me conditioner. Somebody else said gel. I think it was on TikTok. So shout out to them, because it works, and it has the hair looking wet and wavy all day, not that big poofy stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.